Welcome. In front of me I have Sharp Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch, and I'm going to show you how you can check information about this device. So at the first we have to move to the right upper corner when we can enter for the settings. Click OK. Then move for the device preferences by using the arrows. Click OK. And then go for the About by clicking OK button. And as you can see here, we can, for example, check the model or the version of our the Android version. We can also check the status. Click OK if you want to enter, where you can find, for example, the serial number of your device. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.